Hello, hello, hello. It is Christine Michelle, and I am here with the last video in the decision series. So, in this video, we are going to talk about connecting within, making that decision, trusting yourself, going with it. But before I do, I just want to remind you to subscribe, to hit the notification so that you get notified when I am uploading these videos. These videos are Monday through Friday every week. I will be doing videos on different topics. So if you have a topic that you want me to talk about, let me know. So let's talk about decision making, right? You're trying to make a decision, you're confused about the decision, you have no clue what to do. I gave you so many options, right? Muscle testing, we talked about muscle testing, we talked about 4 ways to muscle test. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it, right? I also talked about visualization and journaling and different ways that you can do it. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. And then the last video was a kick-ass, if I must say myself, video on signs, like what signs really mean, how to follow those signs, why signs are really just connecting you to what you truly feel, opening you up to the possibilities, and then connecting you to what you feel, getting you out of your head. I love that video. If you haven't watched that video, go watch the video. And today is the last video, and we get to talk about connecting within, connecting to your soul, connecting to what you truly want. And this is the advanced way, right? This is the way that you get to tap inside. You get to ask yourself a question and you get to say, okay, what would I rather? Like, I like to put my hands on my heart. I like to feel like it connects me to my soul and say, what would I rather do in this situation? And listen, the first thought, like, should I pick in that situation, right? When I said that I was muscle testing, I was trying to pick a CRM program. I was moving from one program to another. And I had 3 different CRM programs that I thought that was going to be the next step for me. And I asked muscle testing, right? It was like, should it be this, should it be this, should it be this? And then as soon as I got all the no answers, I was like, oh, I know exactly what it is, right? I knew in my heart, I knew it. And then I muscle tested to see if it was correct, and it really was. But your answer always comes from within, right? That's what the muscle testing helps you do. It helps you connect to your soul. It helps you connect to your really true subconscious, like what you really truly want to do. When I ask questions now, I truly listen, and my first instinct, the first 3 seconds, that is what I go with. But there's another way that you can ask yourself and really connect. It's similar to the visualization way, it's similar to the journaling way. And it's really asking yourself a question and say, what do I do in this scenario, right? So what should I choose? Should I choose A or should I choose B? And then close your eyes and connect with your parallel reality self, right? Connect with yourself that is rocking. She's doing the thing. That woman that I have talked to you about in the Manifest in 6 Easy Steps and in the Live Your Best Life series, that woman that is that parallel reality self who's already doing the things, that woman you are that already has all the things you desire, right? So there's this decision that you're making. What decision did she make? So you're connecting to the moment when that decision was made, that choice was made, and how she's living this rockin' life. So you say, okay, in this scenario, what CRM program am I using? Right? Close your eyes, connect, and see yourself, that decision-making self, and then look at your computer and see what you're using. And trust and know that that's your answer, right? So let's recap all the ways. You're confused. You don't know what decision to make. You're like, should I go with A? Should I go with B? I don't know. So you've got muscle testing. The 4 different ways you can muscle test. You can lean forward and back like the pendulum. You can do it this way, right? You can do it this way. Or you can Do the snapping, right? Yes, no, yes, no, right? You also have journaling. You can either stream of consciousness journaling, ask yourself the question and just write and see how it feels, right? It always comes back to your feeling. Or you can write down the scenarios. I choose scenario A. This is how it is. See how you feel when you write about it. I choose scenario B. This is how it is. See how you feel about it, right? Visualize scenario A. This is how it feels. This is what I've chosen. This is what happens. Visualize option B. This is what it feels like. This is what I experienced. Da 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 da. Evaluate your feelings about it. Or ask for a sign. And remember, not getting the sign or getting the sign isn't the answer. How you feel about not getting the sign or getting the sign is your answer. You're excited, you're expanded, you feel like, yes! Go do that. If you're like defeated and like, damn, that damn dove, why did it come? Don't do it. Evaluate the signs. And then finally, the advanced way, the way that is so easy once you trust and know that you always have the answers inside, is just to ask yourself. Ask yourself, like, what should I do? Listen, first 3 seconds, boom, that's it. First thought, boom, that's it, right? Or you can ask yourself and say, what am I doing? The me who already has this, the me who already exists in that parallel reality that I'm unfolding into my reality. That me, what did she choose? She's rocking it out. What did she choose? And then connect and trust that that's the answer. And then there's so many other ways that I do. I have my God to-do list, my universe to-do list that I write in the morning and say, hey, God, this is what I do. This is what this is what you're doing for me today. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm so grateful. And then the God to-do list when I go to sleep. And for me, one of the things that I do is, if I'm grappling with something or I can't figure out something, what's my next program, blah, 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 I'll ask and I'll say, you know what, God, universe, source, you say, ask and I get, I receive. So I trust you, I believe you. Now I would like to, when I wake up, to know exactly what to choose or know exactly what to do, exactly what my next steps are, or exactly what program to launch. And every single time it comes, every single time it works. But I trust it and I believe it. Right? So my reality always reflects that back to me. So those are some beautiful ways that you can help yourself make this decision. And I want you in the comments below, #AlignedSoul. Have you tried some of these reasons while watching this video? Have you done some of these? Which one resonates most with you? Which one is like, oh my God, I never thought about that with signs, or oh my God, I never even really put 2 and 2 together and realize that that's, oh my goodness, that all makes so much sense. And remember to definitely like this video, definitely leave some comments, share this with your girl, your friend, whoever is grappling with some decisions, can't make those decisions, doesn't know what to do. Share this video with them so that they can know, like, oh my God, this is how I can make some decisions. I can make choices in my life. This feels so good. Right? Feels so good. And in the meantime, definitely hit subscribe and the notification for the next videos that I'm going to be doing. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, seeing your comments, and definitely engaging with you. In the meantime, definitely go to my group, which is called the Aligned Soul Collective. I post journal prompts every single day. And then there's also lots of great information, motivational content, inspirational content, and live videos every now and then, really to get you where you want to be, help you manifest like magic. So I look forward to seeing you there. Hugs, kisses, and all of the feels. Bye.